In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use emojis directly inside Photoshop. This is a quick and easy technique that can make your thumbnails, social media graphics, posters, and other creative projects feel more fun, modern, and engaging. And the best part is that you don't need to install any extra software to do it. To get started, select the Type tool from the toolbar. Then click anywhere on your canvas to create a text layer. For this example, we're using a simple text box, so it's easy to see what's happening, and so you can clearly preview the emoji fonts that are available. Starting with a basic text layer also helps keep things organized while you test different options. Once your text layer is active, go up to the font drop-down menu. In the font search bar, type the word emoji. Photoshop will then filter the results and show you the emoji fonts currently available on your computer. Depending on your system, you may see fonts like Sego UI emoji or other installed emoji fonts. The exact list can vary, so don't worry if your options look a little different. Now choose one of the available emoji fonts. As soon as you do that, you'll have access to a wide variety of emojis right inside Photoshop. From here, simply type or insert the emoji you want to use. This is a great way to quickly bring visual interest into a design without having to search online for graphic elements or import extra files. After placing your emoji, you can treat it like other text-based design elements in many cases. Resize it, move it around your canvas, and combine it with other parts of your layout to match the style of your project. You can use emojis to add personality, draw attention to important information, or give your composition a more playful and eye-catching look. It's also a good idea to experiment with a few different emojis to see what works best visually. Some will stand out better at smaller sizes, while others may work nicely as supporting details in a larger composition. Even though this is a very simple feature, it can make a surprisingly big difference when you're creating graphics that feel current and engaging. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring Photoshop's hidden features and creative tools to make your designs stand out and bring your ideas to life with confidence.